Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. I'm here with you.
In today's digital world, smartphones, social media, artificial intelligence, and the internet have become important part of our daily life. Technology make us work and
Hmm.
communication easier, but excessive digital use can also affect our focus, relationship, and well-being. Today, I would like to explore how we can find a healthy balance in a digital world. My first question is, what does balance in a digital world actually mean?
It means using technology as a tool, not letting it run your life. So deciding when to use it, when to unplug, and being in like less doom scrolling, more real conversations, breaks, and boundaries that fit your values.
Why has it become difficult for people to disconnect from their smartphone and digital devices?
Because apps are designed to keep our attention. Notifications are like tiny dopamine hits. And there's social pressure, work, FOMO. All that makes unplugging feel harder than it should.
How can excessive screen time affect our productivity and concentration?
It fragments attention with constant quick context switching. Your brain keeps setting, which makes deep focus tougher and often leaves you feeling mentally tired even when the tasks aren't that hard.
What are some signs that a person is spending too much time in a digital world?
Signs can be eye strain, headaches, restless sleep, less patience, feeling edgy when you're away from your phone, or trouble concentrating.
How can social media influence our mental emotional well-being?
It can drain mood through social comparison, doom scrolling, and pressure to present a perfect life. It can also connect people and inspire them, sure, but if use is mindless or endless, it can chip away at self-esteem and make anxiety or loneliness worse.
What is the difference between productive use of technology and unhealthy digital consumption?
Productive use, purpose, and limits, say learning a skill or messaging with intention. Unhealthy use is passive, endless thing that steals time and attention without giving much back.
So ChatGPT keep questions or to about 50-55 second
Sure.
answer. I have 15 question and half already gone. So how can we create healthy
Got it.
boundaries for smartphone and social media use?
Start by setting small, realistic limits, like no meals, short evening cutoff, and schedule times instead of constant availability. Swap some screen time with offline pleasures like walks or calling a friend. And review weekly what worked and what didn't. Adjust gently. Don't aim for perfect, aim for sustainable.
Should people completely avoid technology at certain times of the day? What would a useful digital free time look like?
Yeah, even 30 to 60 minutes device free can help. Try mornings without email or the last hour before bed. Screen with a book, journaling, stretching, or talking. The key is consistency, not rigidity.
Can you give some example for a Gen Z student?
Sure. Say after classes, phone goes aside for 45 minutes. Block for exercise, a hobby, or reviewing notes on paper. Later, check messages in one batch, not every 2 minutes. Tiny shifts, big difference.
How can families maintain meaningful face-to-face communication when everyone is using their own devices?
Try simple rituals, shared dinners, a nightly walk, device free windows, where everyone actually talks. Even 15 minutes of focused listening beats hours of distracted being in the same room.
How can parents deal with Gen Z students?
Ask them what actually matters to them. Collaborate, don't lecture. Be direct but respectful, and be real. They spot fake a mile away. Give autonomy first, then set clear boundaries together, not at them.
How can student and teacher balance education and technology with the traditional learning method?
Teachers model Mhm. Teachers model balanced use. Clear screen moments, clear no screen moments. Students plan study with short breaks, reflect daily, and both sides agree on response windows, so nobody feels 7.
Any tips for Gen Z students?
Yeah. Daily no notification block, even 45 minutes. Track mood and focus before and after to see what helps. And sleep negotiable. If late night scrolling steals sleep, uses a charger outside the bedroom.
What practical strategies can help us reduce unnecessary notification, distractions, and digital interruptions?
Turn off non-urgent alerts. Use focus modes. Batch check messages. Keep the home screen minimal. And silence the lock screen noise. Fewer, more calm.
How can we use technology to improve our life without allowing technology to control our lives?
Decide your purpose first and let tech serve it. Automate the boring stuff, keep human connection real, and do regular checkups. Keep what helps, delete what drains.
What role can mindfulness and self discipline play in developing healthier digital habits?
Mindfulness makes you notice why you're picking up the phone. Self discipline helps you pause, choose not to, use it intentionally. Together, they turn tech from autopilot into a choice, which lowers stress and raises your sense of control.
Can you explain it with some detailed example?
Sure. Let you finish studying. Instead of opening apps automatically, you stop for 30 seconds. Breathe, notice, am I tired, bored, or avoiding something? Then pick one intentional move. If rest, take a short offline break. If connection, call a friend instead of scrolling. If info, set a 10-minute timer, search, then stop. Tiny conscious switches like that build the habit using tech on purpose instead of letting it use you.
How can we balance our professional responsibilities, personal relationships, and digital activities? Kindly give a detailed example
Make
also.
a simple Sure. Make a simple weekly plan. Block non-negotiable work hours, then literally schedule family time like you would a meeting. For example, 6 p.m. dinner, no phones. 7 p.m. or talk. Check messages at set windows, not constantly. Guard sleep with a phone-free bedroom. Review the one day, tweak what's too heavy, and protect one date or family ritual like it's sacred.
What would be
For an ordinary person, it could be work 9 to 5, at 6 without screens, a short evening walk, one phone-free hour before bed, and a Sunday check-in to rebalance the week. Small, doable, repeatable.
can you give the takeaway of this conversation for a Gen Z student especially?
Sure. Use tech on purpose, not by default. Set no notification blocks, protect sleep, schedule real fast, and use mindfulness so every tap is a choice. That balance keeps technology a helpful partner, not the boss of you.
Thank you, ChatGPT. Today, technology is not the problem. The real challenge is how to use it. A balanced digital life means using
Exactly.
technology intentionally while still making time for ourselves, our family, our health, our relationship, and real world around us. The goal is not to escape the digital
Hmm.
world, but to make technology work for us rather than allowing it to control us. Thank you very much for this conversation.
You're welcome.
Take
That's a
care. Allah.
strong takeaway. Use you too. Take care.